Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about batteries. What's the best battery to put in your classic Mini? To be honest, I don't know what the best battery to put in the Mini is because I'm not a mechanic. But what I do know is I'll just fit the biggest bastard I can and go from there. I need a bigger garage. Right. Now, when it comes to batteries, I was always told that bigger is always better. Actually, I was never told that. I just made it up. I was always told... What was I always told? I remember what I was told. I was always told, buy the best one you can afford. So what I've gone and done is I've spent 40 British pounds on a massive battery. In all seriousness, I've done a lot of research on what batteries the best that you can buy for your Mini and or what physically is the best size to go in, and a lot of people saying the Type 75 battery fits in there nicely. Now I did a bit of research and the Type 96 battery is slightly bigger than the Type 75, and it still fits in the classic Mini boot in the battery compartment. And the 96 battery is designed for diesel cars. Now diesel cars need a lot more amps to start, they take a lot more compression, so you need just generally a bit of a beefier battery. So what I've always thought was, you know, I want the power, so I've gone and bought a 96 battery, and that's what I'll be fitting today. Jeez. Right, these are the tools you're going to need. 10mm spanner, 13mm spanner. That's it, really. If I'm honest. That's it. Right guys, as easy as that. Don't even really need the battery clamp. It's in there really good. It's nice and low. So terminal's on. Let's start her up. Fingers crossed. Does the job.